PlayStation. What up, man? It's your boy Deuce. Huh? You don't know me. I know you very well. I'm a DJ down here in Austin, Texas, and I've been playing PlayStation since the first one, man. Brand loyalty. You need me as your next employee. Tester 3, you gotta pick me. I know what to do, I know what skills to have, and I know how to act like I'm a team player. You won't catch me acting crazy. Put me on the tester, and I'll show you exactly what I can do for Sony. I can bring a lot of things to the table. I mean, production value, marketing the product, and of course, playing games. Come on, man. Who can beat me? Put a game in front of me right now, I'm gonna have it mastered in like at least 10 minutes, maybe even 5, maybe even 4. I know you want somebody who can play games, but I know you also want a loyal employee. Brand loyalty. I'm that guy. I'm that employee, and I'm that gamer, man. So all I'm saying is right now, click vote, let them know you want me on the show, and I will hold you down. You won't be disappointed. I'm telling you, man, come find me. It's Deuce. I'm a DJ, but I'm also one of the biggest gamers out there. And besides, who can resist this smile? Sony, what more are you looking for, man? A big-time gamer and who knows some skills on the business side? You got it right here. It's Deuce, Austin, Texas. Pick me, Tester 3. Pick me, Tester 3. Let's go.
This is Cole McGrath, and I approve this message.